Savannah Snyder, and I am the Foley for Minor XL Main 0 Hour Suspense Radio Play. And I want to show you some of my effects. Right here we have the two doors, and for the screen door, to make it squeak, we have a string covered in resin, and that makes a squeaking sound. Over here we have an actual car door that we got from a junkyard and repainted for when the husband comes home. And over here we have our water, these little trinkets, plates, and we have the window closing. And then we have the computer, which I can do all the sound effects that I cannot control, like explosions. Now let's put it right here. I would not want to be in the middle of that party. And last but not least, we have the grandfather clock, which is an actual clock that I can make chime. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you get online for 0 Hour.